Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Update the TV firmware and make sure both TV and phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the TV settings and enable screen mirroring or Smart View. On your source device, turn on Wi-Fi and any proximity features like Bluetooth. This gets Discovery working. Then open the source's casting option and look for the Samsung model name. Select it to initiate the handshake, so the devices can negotiate codecs and resolution. You now manage the middle steps that determine stability and quality. When the TV prompts, accept the connection and pick the matching input. If you don't see a prompt, use the TV's source menu. Make sure the source's display resolution matches the TV's native setting to avoid scaling. Change aspect ratio or mirror size in either device's display settings. If latency or stutter persists, switch to a wired HDMI adapter or use the TV's Smart View app for more reliable bandwidth and consistent frame rates. Finish by verifying audio and screen sync. Make sure you've set the TV as the playback device and confirm lip sync in a short video. If connections drop, restart your router, TV, and source device in sequence to clear cached network states, then repair. If problems persist, clear the TV's saved device list or reset its screen mirroring settings rather than a full factory reset. Key troubleshooting tip: power cycle router first and test wired connection to isolate whether the issue is wireless congestion or the TV itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.